Do you have E? Ready? On this E. 3, karma. 2, 1.
Burst it, burst it, burst it, burst it.
What the fuck?
It's a free kill, it's a free kill.
Nice, nice. I'm gonna tornado.
Yeah, nice, nice. One more hit, guys. Nice,
Nice,
good one, good one. Sa likod, yung blazing.
Okay. Do you have E? Ready?
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Regroup
5,
northwest.
5, 5, 5.
Just
Go,
pass.
go northwest. Yeah.
You guys,
Ready,
mispat
ready.
ka.
We
Ready?
can look sa likod, we can look in here.
One dispersa lang.
Wala akong
Okay, reset. I'm not sure. Reset. Rattle.
Bro, talk up.
Nice. LCD.
15, 20, 20.
Good check.
10, 10, 10, 10.
Ready?
5, 5,
3. Ready? South. 3. Deep. 2.
ready, ready.
1.
Di nasa dev anymore.
Kill. Okay, spread now. Right side. CD again.
Careful. They can.
Just keep walking.
Ako
Slow.
nakapagpalit ng
5
position.
seconds,
Gago,
5 seconds.
kalming
That's
pata pala
really
ako.
nasty.
What about Miss Persa? Ready, Miss
5
Persa?
seconds.
Ready?
Ready?
Hindi ako nakapagpalit ng potion, boss.
Okay lang. Basta ang gawin mo once they engage, once they pop the rope, you interrupt, you
Ready? You have E?
use your
Yeah, meron.
Ready.
Wait.
Wait, palit ako.
Binaw.
Be careful, wala ako kan.
Nice one.
There. They're looking. Dead. Rattle there. It's fine. Keep walking. They don't have big.
Boss.
They're running. Try to catch. There's still one guy.
One guy loot.
I need
Then
one
other
guy. Can someone help me? Top side.
mount up guys. Here. Come here. I need DPS.
Anyone?
Come out. Mount out. Nice one.
Help. Okay, I will catch him.
Never mind that guy.
Need help loot. Many
I
money.
need help. Top side. What the fuck? I'm gonna die.
Gago na
Anong
patay.
inabol?
Loot, bro. Loot, please.
It's
Money.
not
Loot. Money.
Paldo naman tayo.
Nice one.
Sarap ng mga ano mo dun Hila mo.
Okay. Once you done looting, go inside.
Mob fame. Kita nyo to? Mob fame na GA.
Point 2.
Nasa akin.
Gago. Ang ano nila?
Ba't namatay si Boss Benny sa kaya si Ratol?
Di kinaya. Is too plotty. Di kinaya ng ano. Nasalo niya yung...
Nasalo niya yung Miss Persa. Di, may mali din ako dun. Dapat pala ginamit ko yung ano ko.